Hey everyone, welcome to another video. So I recently uploaded a video regarding my oil catch can setup, or rather whether you need an oil catch can for a boosted setup. And one of the questions I've been asked is more information surrounding my Kenne Bell setup, because JLT specifically don't do a setup for the Kenne Bell boosted application. So I'm just going to quickly show you guys what I did. Now the kit that I bought from them was, well, I didn't buy it from them, I bought from another gentleman on Mustang 6G. The kit I bought was the GD350 kit, which is basically the same for any 6th gen Coyote. I think the 6th Gen 2 Coyote, I think the Gen 3 might be a little bit different. I'm not sure, but you know, as long as it's the GT350 5.2 Voodoo one, you should get 2 catch cans with the varying pipe lengths, whatever. So let me just turn this. So I got one of these, and I got a normal one without any attachments on the top. Then what I did was I basically, oh, can't see me. So then what I did was I basically cut off the pipes that it came with, and swapped some of the attachments around. So let me talk you through, actually. This probably so these come with their own pipes, and I think this one doesn't come with, so this is a right angle, so 90-degree elbow, 90-degree elbow, and then this one has a 90-degree elbow and a straight. So this pipe typically runs along this sort of rest, and then it goes around the back. So what I did was, and again, this attachment also comes stock from JLT, so there's quite a bit of moving around to do in terms of the setup they have. But the point is, if you get the kit that works on a GT350, you can cut it and mash it up so it works. So what I've done so steering wheel is on the right side for us. So for the passenger side US, what I've done is I've got a straight one here, so straight attachment that goes into the JLT 3.0, and a elbow here, and then this is like at a 45 degree. You can see it's at a 45 degree, and this works pretty well. This pipe is stock from the Kenne Bell kit, so I've just cut it and put it there. And then you can see what I've done there is I got like a piece of 1 millimeter steel, which I sort of curved and turned into like a Z shape. So this then sits on there, and then I double-sided use some double-sided tape to stick on a clamp to the bracket, which means it doesn't fall down when I loosen it, and then the JLT actually sits on top of that, and then this just clamps it all together. So that's how I work that. And then what there is a little hole here, and then I just got a hex bolt with a washer and then a little nut at the bottom to sort of stick it on, and that's working pretty well for me. Maintenance is easy, and to be honest, I think it looks pretty good as well there. So that's that one. And then this one, so it already came with this attachment. So again, there's a hole here, and I got a hex bolt and a nut and put it on here. And then I have to get some custom tubing. So this has to be the same size as the tubing on the other side. And then I have a right angled elbow here. Again, I utilized all of this stuff from the kit that came, the kit that I bought from JLT, but I just had to reroute my own piping. So I've got a right angle one here, goes along into there, and then if you look here, this is also a right angle one as well, which goes into the Kenne Bell attachment. And that's all there is to it, really. This setup works for me for the Kenne Bell, and to be honest, I think if you have a Coyote as well, it should work for you as well. Any questions? Drop me a message. Oh, the other thing I got was I got a UPR breather for my oil cap. Something worth thinking about. Just reduces the back pressure within the block. So yeah, hope you found it useful. Have a good day.